How many times have we been told to drink plenty of water every day and stay hydrated by either doctors, personal trainers, or every organization that promotes health? Have we ever thought how staying hydrated is important to us aside from just quenching our thirst? Does water have any role within our bodies that maybe we're not aware of? Surprisingly, water does more than satisfying our thirst. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now, to be honest with you, before obtaining this information, I only thought that the only things water did in the body was satisfy your thirst, regulate temperature through sweat, but apparently there's more, which is why today we will find out the three reasons why staying hydrated is important. Now, starting us off in number three, we have cognitive performance. According to behavioral neuroscientist Dr. Joshua Gowen, dehydration makes it hard for us to hold information in our short-term memory, as well as recalling information from our long-term memory. Now, this information has been the result of an experiment done back in 2011 by Matthew S. Ganio and other scientists working with him that was uploaded in the British Journal of Nutrition, which consisted of 26 young male subjects around the ages of 20 to 23 to be put in three random trials. Now, one trial consisted of a 40-minute treadmill walk in temperatures up to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Another consisted of exercising in a dehydrated state. And the last one consisted of a cognitive test which were focused on concentration questions. The data shows that the mean data and standard deviations of each test conducted before the trials and after. It is shown that these subjects did poorly on these tests when they were dehydrated compared to how they did before the trials. As a result of the study, mild dehydration in men induced adverse changes in vigilance and working memory, and increased tension, anxiety, and fatigue, which led them to perform poorly in these tests that were particularly designed to put their long-term and short-term memories to the test. Now, heading us up to number two, we have reduced back pain. According to the Spine Institute, staying hydrated helps reduce back pain by refilling our discs. Now, our spine, we have a jelly-like buildup in between each bone called a disc, which role is to absorb any friction or bump on our spine which receives due to our every movement. Think of it as like a shock absorber for our bone joints. Now, this disc flattens as our day goes on because as we move, the fluids inside the discs are squeezed off. The liquid that keeps the disc inflated, believe it or not, is none other than water. When we don't drink enough water, the discs get thinner until the point that it cannot absorb any blows, which in turn causes us to have back pain. As you can see from the image shown, a normal disc, like the one on the top, is full of water and effectively absorbs every blow, while the one at the bottom is what our discs look like when we do not stay hydrated, which in all honesty, I don't think it won't absorb much any blows. It's just really tiny compared to the normal one. And finally, in number one, we have water makes up most of our body. According to the United States Geological Survey, the adult human body is composed of 60% water, and this water composes 73% of our brain and heart, 83% of our lungs, 64% of our skin, 79% of our muscles and kidneys, and 31% of our bones. These percentages just shows us how much water must be of importance to us Since if we do not keep hydrated, we will basically not only feel thirsty, but also hurt ourselves by not supplying our body those fluids that it needs to work efficiently. If we want to keep hydrated, it is recommended that the adult male drinks up to 12 cups of water daily and 9 cups daily for adult females. Now, this is it for this list, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Is there any one that intrigued you? To me, honestly, the first one of the water making most of our body intrigued me because I had no idea that we needed so much water for those specific parts of our body. Yet again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.